Uthula umoya, ungangxoli, ungaphaphazeli. Bezinye izinto azisifuni isiphithiphithi. Zidinga umuntu okholwayo azole noba isimo sithi makangazoli. Mhlawumbe ethandwa nguThixo. Noma kubuhlungu moya wami. I am a Xhosa speaking. Kodwa ke I was captured by the Zulus. Ngoba ngihleli ixesha elide kwaZulu. And so say imnandi le version yesiZulu. Ndi understand ngcono. Kodwa ke ngesixhosa sasekhaya ndifuna ukuthi kuni kudala sifuna ukuza kuni, kodwa kwesuku uSathane wasibambezela. NgesiZulu ithi kade sifuna ukuza kini, kodwa uSathane wasivimbela. uSathane wasivimbela. Ngesilungu sikwimetsoka izifundiswa zale cawa. Before we wanted to come to you, certainly I, Paul, did again and again, but Satan blocked our way. Sifuna uthetha ngoSathane oblocka indlela zabantu ngendlela ezahlukeneyo. Brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers. MCYU Director, the District Coordinator of the Limpopo, Reverend Dietziso, who is in our midst, the lay leader-elect, Sister Lesego, the President, I'm not sure Buzizipo, elect or inducted. Inducted, the newly inducted General President of the METSOC. She is my daughter, so no bangazifihla ngeke ndingamboni.